So as you're preparing and polishing this excerpt for your audition, the first step is to listen to a recording. If you don't own a recording of Brahms' Fourth Symphony, just type it into Google, find a professional recording on YouTube, and start listening. Both of these excerpts happen before the 2-minute mark of this movement, so you can try keeping track of the measures with your counting, or you can just get a sense for the pulse of the piece and the energy of the piece, and you'll know where these two spots fit into the larger work. Secondly, conductors really want to hear a steady pulse. Practice with the metronome. They've given you the metronome marking of 1/16 to a quarter note. Take that seriously. Try your best to prepare it exactly to that speed and keep a steady tempo as you're transitioning from eighth notes to triplets in both excerpts. Lastly, the two spots that they've picked are very contrasting. The first spot is forte, and it's marked with carats. Those are those spiky figures that you see over the eighth notes. A carat should be played like an accent that's even more aggressive and more pronounced. The first half of the excerpt should be placed in the lower part of the bow where you get the most strength from your bow arm, and really go for that carated sound with your bow, but then make sure that you're warming up your tone with lots of vibrato. The second excerpt is a very different sound that you're going for. It's marked dolce, which means sweet, and it's piano. Make sure that you're connecting long lines with your bow from one measure to the next and creating sweeping sounds with those hairpins that are marked, and take the diminuendo at the end of that excerpt very seriously. It's great if you can demonstrate both ranges of your sound, loud and soft. And hopefully this will help you prepare your excerpts for your audition.